uh, literature review in a research project and a review article.
Yes, sir.
So, what is how we can differentiate between literature review for a research project and the article itself? How we can differentiate in both of them? Both are similar or different?
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir, please?
What is different between a literature review in a research project and different between a review article? Both are similar or different?
Sir, both are different, sir.
How?
Different, sir. Sir, in research article, we basically focus on the problems that we face during the project,
Okay.
and that article is all about the project which we gathered the information, whether it is necessary or unnecessary.
Okay, but I can just give you some tips for writing the literature review. Just find out the main focus points that you want to extend in each paragraph. That would be more easy for you to write. You know, if you're writing about face recognition, so you should just write the one paragraph for face detection. Then you write for a one paragraph for comparison. Then you write a one paragraph for a matching, and then you write a one paragraph for verification, and you can also write a one paragraph for identification if you think about it, right? So it's all will together give you a one literature review about face recognition. But if you write,
सर
yes,
सर वो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था सर, वो समझा दें, एक्सप्लेन कर दें सर, वो कंफ्यूजन है जो आज आपने पढ़ाया सर.
what was the question?
सर वो ये क्रोनोलॉजिकल और वो दूसरा टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे थे, उसका तो समझ नहीं आ रही.
Okay, I explain you once again. You are
और सर अगर ये इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग भी शेयर कर दें सर.
So, okay, I have no problem. I can share you the recording if there is no any, problem during the lecture from the student side. Then I can easily share with you. But if there is any problematic language during the lectures, then I'm not allowed to share with you. Okay. So if you want a
Yes.
recording from my side, so you should be professional with me during the lecture. Then I can give you the lecture for listening as well.
सही हो गया
Clear?
सर. अभी ये समझा दें सर.
Okay.
आज वाला.
Okay, if we're talking about a chronological model you want to use for writing a review article, you should take a start from the date when first time the author write or publish any article about it, right? I give you the example of coronavirus. It's take start from 21st January 2019, and now we are in the 2nd April 2020. So you need to write the progress report of every day, that what are the invention is coming out about that disease. Okay, that is the one model.
सही हो गया.
What?
सही है सर, ठीक है.
And when you are talking about the mathematical model, okay, in that model you are taking a general topic and you are coming more closer to it. How much you can get more closer to the topic relate to the problem. That's what we do in mathematical model. Okay. No talking, Kashif. Kashif, don't talk.
सर जी ये काशिफ हमारी क्लास में से नहीं है सर.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In thematic model, you are, I can give you the example of any topic. For example, if you want to work on biometrics, right? So it means you are in
Yes.
processing. Then you are talking for the sub-composition for computer vision. Then you are talking about the biometrics. In a biometrics, you are talking about the face recognition. In a face recognition, you are talking about the face point. When you are talking about the face point, then you are talking about the certain specific points that you want to work. In a thematic model, you are become more specific as much as you can about that problem. This is what we are using the approach to reach to that. We are using that approach. But in a chronological model, you are a general. You can add the relevant information to that topic is okay. It's clear?
Yes.
Yes sir, it's clear now sir.
So anyone else who want to discuss or having any questions regarding assignment?
सर दूसरा क्वेश्चन है सर ये कि जो हमारा कोर्स वो है सर क्या कहते हैं कोर्स टैग लाइन सर वो तो बता दें सारी वो जो
I already
क्या उसको कहते हैं टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट सर
Oh, I already gave to your CR, but I will show you again, so it is okay. I will share.
सर मेहरबानी करके आप रूम में अपलोड कर देना ना
Okay.
सीआर ना कुछ और सर मेहरबानी करके आप वहीं पे कर दें और दूसरा सर मैंने क्वेश्चन पोस्ट किया था वहां पे अपना ईमेल बता दें सर कभी क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है तो आप कुछ ईमेल कर दें
Yes, I
And sir,
already
how the
gave
bids are
it
going
to
to be
you,
taken?
but I will share it again my email, so it's not a problem. Okay.
थैंक यू सर
Anything else for the today?
Sir,
Like,
how the bids are going to be taken?
what?
Sir, how
मोहम्मद
the
असद सर मैंने आपको मेल की थी आपने रिप्लाई नहीं किया सर
I was waiting for the today lecture, and after that, I want to answer you complete all the material together.
थैंक यू सो मच सर
sir,
Yes,
sir, how the bids are going to be taken?
it will be based on the project.
Okay, sir. We have an announcement that on 13th April the bids will be started.
Yes, there is a mid is going to start on 13 April by online, right? But my paper will be totally based on the concept and logical that is totally based on your project. If you done all the assignment, then it is very easy for you to have a good score in my midterm. But if you will not do the assignment by your own self, then it will be a problem.
Okay.
सर असाइनमेंट की समझ ही नहीं आ रही सर
You can write me an email or you can discuss with me right now.
जी सर आप ईमेल बता दें मैं आपको फिर ईमेल करता हूँ सर
What is the problem in the assignment? It is very simple.
सर उसको अंडरस्टैंड करने में इशू हो रहा है सर कि हमें करना क्या है सर
Articles, then it will be okay.
यार भाई अंडा बाद में बना लेना आप बात करने दो
Okay, anyone else who want to discuss anything?
सर असाइनमेंट का सर बता दें सर
Okay, for the assignment, you need to summarize the minimum 5 research articles, and then you need to think about it. You are using a chronological model or a thematic model to complete to link all these paragraphs together. This what is your assignment.
सर ये कितने पेजेस की होगी
It depends on your topic, but it should be. I will give you the template for it today. I will share the template
Very
for it.
Sir, can you
Sir,
repeat?
Okay, I can repeat, Asma. You know, you need to choose minimum five papers, which is very closer to your topic, and then you need to summarize each research article, and then you need to use that model, chronological or the thematic model, that how you are linking that paragraph together, which can give you a one impact story that you are talking about a one specific point. Yeah.
सर ये जो 5 पेपर्स हैं ये पूरे पूरे रीड करने हैं या बस उनका एब्स्ट्रैक्ट रीड करना है
No complete paper. You need to
Pure paper.
extract the, try to extract the problem statement from that article, then find out the main focus point that you want to discuss in the paragraph. On the basis of that focus point, you need to write up the summary of that paper.
सर अभी जो लास्ट हमने क्लास में टॉप किया था वो था कि हाउ टू राइट द टॉपिक स्टेटमेंट तो
Yes.
सर उसके बाद अभी हमने आगे कितना कर लिया है
That is the third heading of how to choose a statement or topic. That is the same topic.
ओके
That is, your title, your problem statement, your data assignment is based on your problem statement. Please be careful. This is not something new. It is same the upcoming going thing.
सही सर
Sir,
So, no
sir,
confusion.
we have to.
सर एक और बात कि सर हमारा ये जो कोर्स है इससे रिलेटेड कोई ऑथेंटिक कोर्स है यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल
This is the course which is I'm follow the content of HSC, so you should follow me. That would be enough. If you follow any other,
सर आपको तो फॉलो कर रहे हैं लेकिन सम टाइम ऐसे होता है कि अभी तो वो क्लास वाला सीन भी नहीं है ना तो हमें रेलेवेंट मटेरियल चाहिए होता है जिस तरह डॉक्टर जानजेब साहब हमें रेलेवेंट मटेरियल से यूट्यूब की वीडियोस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं सर
in the research code, this is a very big problem. If you will follow any other writer or a teacher, you will be completely contradict with me. I will recommend you, if you have any confusion, you can discuss with me. but you cannot go for any lectures on from the YouTube. It will become more confusing.
सही हो गया सर.
You know, I told you
Excuse me, sir.
in the first class, research is about the statement or opinion about anything. So every teacher will tell you something different.
Yes sir.
So follow the content of HSC and stay with me. If you have a problem, you can write me an email and you can discuss with me. I think we are good enough to have a very good
अच्छा, मैं आपको कराता हूँ 5 आगे से हुआ है ना
सही
Sir,
है.
I have a
मेरे
question,
नेट
sir.
जैसे चल रहा है मैं अगर कॉल जाऊंगा मेरी क्लास इधर से कैंसिल
What, Asid, what you talking about?
हैं
Any other student who
Sir,
wants to?
he is talking with his gog.
सिलेंडर
Please,
नहीं पहुंचा
then
Sir,
you
I have a
are-
question.
anyone,
Sir, I have a
यार
question,
असद अपनी दुकान बाद में चलाना यार.
anyone else?
Yes.
Yes, sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to read 5 different articles on 5 different topics or on
No.
one topic and summarize it.
You should read 5 articles which is very closer to your topic and your problem statement. It should
Okay,
be
sir.
not out of that, otherwise there is no meaning.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, but the third assignment was what is semantic model? And they are talking about homework. So what we have to do, homework or assignment?
The first one, you have to go for the assignment. The homework was for you just practice. I need assignment.
Sir, can you please explain the assignment?
I already explained you, you need to choose 5 papers which is very closer to your topic, okay? And then you need to highlight.
Sir, kindly ये जो अंडा खा रहा है कैंडी इसको रिमूव कर दें या इसको म्यूट कर दें सर.
Okay, I will mute.
Distraction होता है सर.
Okay. You know, you need to choose the 5 papers, but you need to make the focus points that you want to discuss from that paper, okay? On the basis of that focus point, you need to write the complete summary for that paper, in similar for all the 5, and then you need to use the thematic or chronological model to connect all these paragraphs together.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Anyone else who have problem?
No, sir.
I
Sir,
have
इसकी last submission कब है sir?
7 April. It's 7 April.
7 April सही हो गया sir.
I have one more suggestion for you. Try to draw the diagram if you can by your own logic. Try to make the graph if you can. Try to make a table that will make your literature review very, very strong and very professional. And try
Could you
to
provide
add
us with a sample?
and try to add the references which is between 2015 and until 2020. Don't use the old references than that, okay?
Sir, please
Okay,
एक sample paper भी दे दें कोई.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
I will upload
Kindly.
today in the group, okay? I will upload the template and I will also upload the sample for it as well.
Sir,
Thank
ये
you
वही
so much.
टॉपिक वही रखना है जो हमने पहला सबमिट करवाई थी असाइनमेंट.
जो आपने सर को मेल किया था वो
Problem statement. This what we study in today's lecture.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next is Asid, right? You want to talk? Yes.
बस सर जी बात होगी थी वो पूछ लिया
Okay,
बात में.
anyone? So I believe everyone is clear. There is no problem anymore, and I will.
सर ये जो रिसर्च आर्टिकल्स हैं ये वहीं से करने हैं सर जहाँ से आपने पहले बताए थे.
Yes, sciencedirect.com. Don't choose any other paper
Science.
other than sciencedirect.com. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And check the date of the article. It should be not older more than 2015.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So I hope you are very, very clear about the literature review now.
Yes, sir.
And there is
Sir,
one more
that's fine.
announcement. After the midterm, you have to submit your FYP proposal to the supervisor whom you are interested to work on it. Please try to think about it as well.
सर अल्लाह का वास्ता नहीं सर ऐसे तो ना करें सर अभी कुछ
Yes,
समझ
sir.
नहीं आती है.
Yes, sir. लॉकडाउन की सिचुएशन है सर कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा है एक दफा ये खत्म हो
सर
जाए
हमने
यूनिवर्सिटी
ग्रुप पे अभी डिस्कस नहीं किया है कि कौन सा ग्रुप बनेगा सर. फाइनली FYP है सर 1 साल साथ चलना है सर.
So try to
Please
work
उसके
on
लिए
it.
भी तो
But I
लिमिट
say
देते हैं सर.
try to
Yes,
work on
sir.
it.
May I speak, sir?
अंजुम
Yes.
सर जो यूनिवर्सिटी आपको लिस्ट प्रोवाइड करती है वो हमें कैसे मिलेगी?
The list of the titles.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That we will provide when the deadline for the student proposal submission is over. Then you can choose from the title as well.
अच्छा
बस
सर
सर हम
यानी
उसी
कि
से
हम
कर
अपना
लेंगे सर।
प्रपोजल पेश कर पे आपको जो है ना दे सकते हैं।
We will share in the group for FYP that there will be another group for FYP, so you don't worry about it. But it's just his recommendation. Try to think about your FYP as well, because this course is very relevant to your FYP.
Right, sir.
So especially for writing, okay?
Yes, sir.
So anything else for today?
No, sir. Thank you so much,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. I hope you all are very clear about your literature review, and the next one we will
Yes,
start
sir.
about the next.
सर बस ये 2-3
sir.
चीजें मेल कर देना आज ग्रुप में सर।
Okay,
Have a
I'll
nice day,
update
sir.
everything in the group.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
don't worry about it.
मुझे
Sir,
email
attendance-
कर दीजिए
सर
जी।
हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
NCR,
Attendance,
please
sir.
keep.
सर अटेंडेंस लगा देना प्लीज याद से सर।
Yeah, I already keep the records of all the screen who are available with their full names. Okay.
Yes, sir. सर रॉय मैंने
Sir.
गलती से लिखा, मेरा नाम अब्दुल रहमान है सर।
So next time write your full name. Okay.
ओके सर।
सर मैं भी अपना पूरा लिखूं सर, ये काम चल जाएगा सर?
For
यस सर,
this
अब्दुल
time
रहमान
it's
लिखा
okay,
सर, वैसे
but
इससे अंदाजा हो जाएगा।
for
यार बस अपना
Yes.
करेक्ट नेम लिख लेना, सर को बात करने दो यार।
this time
यार
it's
असद
okay,
एक
but
मिनट
next
दुकान
time don't do that, because we submit the report of online student every day to the department for attendance purpose.
सर यार 2 सिगरेट तो देना।
Okay, see you then. Yeah, have a nice day. Goodbye.
असद गोल्ड लीफ।
गोल्ड लीफ गोल्ड